Alright guys, so this is a replacement filter. Got it online. So we're gonna install this. Hopefully get us some ice working correctly. Alright guys, so you guys see that right there. You need to replace the water filter here. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick. James the Tech. Alright guys, so this is it right here. Doesn't come with a lot of directions, but as you can see, it can be pretty self-explanatory. Has an arrow right there, so this is how I'm gonna install it. Alright guys, so you can see the filter is actually down here at the bottom of the refrigerator. So you gotta open this here, and you see it's self-explanatory. You just have to make the arrow go along with it that way. So we're gonna go ahead and enter that in there, follow that arrow right there, make sure it's lined up correctly. Just pop it on in and close it in. As you can hear it, it gives you this type of air. And I'm thinking that's the filter that's going into the actual input, so it actually can function. And guys, don't forget, you have to hold this water filter reset button for 3 seconds if you want the replace water filter light to go off. All right guys, and hopefully we'll get some ice going in this thing right here. Want to make sure, you see right there, we got the on and off. As you can see, we had it off, so we're gonna put it on, and there we go. Hopefully we get some ice that actually is not gonna be coming out like looking all crazy because the ice wasn't functioning that properly, and we actually get some fresh filter water. Subscribe. All right guys, see you next time. James the Tech.